Queen Scarlet Rain dapat. Ano lang, Scarlet Rain. And then gusto namin yung mas parang tunog mayaman, miski hindi ka mayaman. Kaya dinagdagan namin ng Queen.
Burned out like the 5th of July. I got my friends all calling me. Stressed out cause I realize I'm not the person I wanna be. Sold out of my cheap thrills, trying to keep up my modern life. So sad on these happy pills, but I know I'm gonna get it right. I got no worries, no worries.
Daddy, ano participation sa name?
Ayun, sabi ko naman kay Mami, pili siya kung prince or princess, queen or king. Lahat ng magiging baby namin, lagi sa start may queen or king.
He's got me, no. I got no problems I can see, no. I got this.
Happy 7th birthday, Queen! Hi!
I got no worries, no. I got no worries, no.
Happy 7th birthday, Queen!
No worries, no. Back when we were kids, we did it our way. Young hearts caught in quits, now it's the hard way. Lately it scrapes up knees, maybe someday we'll all get
Happy 7th birthday, Queen! Hey!
some lemonade. I got no worries, got me, no. I got no problems I can see, no. I got this feeling over me like.
Ang wish ko para kay Queen, sana lumaki siyang malusog, may takot sa Diyos, saka matalino, bata, at masipag. At mapagmahal pala sa mga magulang.
Birthday! So, matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay.
Sa akin naman, yung wish ko kay Queen, sana maging wish granted lahat ng wish ni Mami.
I got no worries, got me, no. I got no problems.
Happy 7th birthday, Queen!
Happy 7th birthday, Queen!
I got no worries, no.
Happy 7th birthday, Queen! We love you!